Hello everyone, and welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up Click Tunnel on your Android device. This setup will add an extra layer of protection, provide an enhanced connection, and allow for secure browsing. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Play Store. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Search for Click Tunnel. In the Google Play Store search bar, type Click Tunnel and tap the search icon. 3. Install the app. Locate the Click Tunnel app in the search results and tap the Install button. 4. Open Click Tunnel. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Click Tunnel application. 5. Tap the three-line menu. On the app's main screen, look for the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, often in the top left corner. Tap it to open the app's menu. 6. Tap Update Config. Within the menu, find and tap the Update Config option. This ensures that the app has the latest server list and configuration settings. 7. Wait for update to finish. Allow the update process to complete. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. 8. Tap Add Time. Tap the Add Time button to extend your connection time. This may involve watching an advertisement or completing a simple task. 9. Select Server. Auto or manual. Tap the server selection area. You can choose Auto to have the app automatically select the best server, or select a server manually from the available options. 10. Select All Country UDP or your country name. Tap the area to select the connection method. Choose All Country UDP for a broad connection, or select your specific country name from the list if available. 11. Tap Connect. Tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection process. 12. Allow VPN permission. A system dialog may appear asking for VPN permission. Tap Allow to grant Click Tunnel the necessary permissions. 13. Connection established. Once the connection is established, you'll see a confirmation message or icon indicating that the VPN is active. That's it. You've successfully configured Click Tunnel, which will add an extra layer of protection, give you an enhanced connection, and enable secure browsing. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tutorials.